Hey beauties, ever wondered what happens when you mix too many skincare products? Today, I'm diving into the world of skincare cocktails and how they can affect your skin. So, let's get started. First things first, I totally get it. There are so many amazing products out there and it's tempting to use them all at once. But here's the thing, more isn't always better. Combining too many active ingredients can actually do more harm than good. Imagine this. You've just bought a new serum, a trendy moisturizer, and a magical elixir, all promising flawless skin. You eagerly apply them all, hoping for instant results. But what happens instead? Your skin can freak out. Mixing too many actives like retinoids, AHAs, BHAs, and vitamin C can lead to irritation, redness, and even breakouts. Your skin has its own natural barrier, and overloading it can strip away essential oils and moisture. This can cause dryness and make your skin more sensitive. Think of your skincare routine like a balanced diet. Too much of anything can throw everything off. Now let's talk about pH levels. Different products have different pH levels, and when you mix them, they can neutralize each other, making them less effective. So that potent serum you just invested in, it might not be doing its job if it's clashing with another product. Another thing to consider is layering. Some products are designed to be used alone or in a specific order. Mixing them can dilute their effectiveness or cause them to react negatively with each other. For example, using a strong exfoliant right before a retinoid can lead to serious irritation. So what's the solution? Simplicity is key. Start with a basic routine, a gentle cleanser, a hydrating toner, a reliable moisturizer, and sunscreen. Add in actives one at a time and give your skin a chance to adjust. Listen to your skin. It'll tell you when it's happy and when it's not. Patch testing is also crucial. Before adding a new product to your routine, test it on a small patch of skin to see how it reacts. This can save you from a lot of potential skin woes. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a race. It's all about finding what works best for your unique skin. So take your time, be patient, and don't overwhelm your skin with too many products. That's all for today, beauties. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more skincare tips. Until next time, take care of your skin and keep glowing. Bye for now.